Hi, I'm Robert Maltby. This is Maltby's Minute on the Market. Welcome. We're working late tonight in the boardroom. We've just watched the Super Bowl. That's why I'm in my sweat clothes. What a game, what a comeback. It's been well documented. We can all agree on one thing, the greatest quarterback of all time now. No arguments there. So, after all, we like to wait till February before we really consider making our moves until all the data, all the important stuff has been put out there in terms of the pundits, not so important, but the most important thing in predicting how the year ahead will be, which is the Super Bowl indicator. That's why we're going with that this year. The Super Bowl indicator has got a 80% accuracy, right? 40 out of 50 times. I challenge any pundit to top that. Looking at the pundits last year, not a one of them, of the top 14, thought the market would close above 2015. Where did it close? 22.95, 11% above. That's a career-ending miss, or should be, if it isn't. So, the Patriots have won for the fourth time. Should we break that into a sub-indicator? The indicator is the old AFL teams win, bearish. The NFL traditional teams win, bullish. Patriots 4 wins and average return of negative 3.47, in line with the Super Bowl indicator. So, what are we talking about? What did the pundits say in January? Consensus is up 5%. Already, the S&P is up 2.5%. Average annual return in the S&P since 1928 is 10%. So it's a negative year. Again, maybe in line with the Super Bowl indicator. Fortunately, rather unfortunately, politics is weighing in heavily right now. We think it has a bit of a bearish impact. We've got two big issues that are taking out all the oxygen from the important economic issues for us investors. The immigration ban and the Obamacare repeal movements, both are going to the front burner, and it looks like they're going to be addressed first. Legal scholars say the broad powers given the executive office, the Alien Act in 1798, if we had to make a prediction, supports the ban and allows the president to put that in place. Looking at the intangibles about this ban, you look at the judge who supported Black Lives Matter. You look at his other initiatives in pro bono work for immigration, and you look at the employment in Washington with the highest concentration of H-1B workers. You've got tech titans up there, Microsoft, Amazon. The H-1Bs undercut similarly skilled U.S. engineers by about 40%. So this is important. This is important. Just saying. Okay, the political intangibles we think will put the tax cuts and the deregulation to the back burner, possibly delay their impact till maybe 9 months, maybe 12 months, whereas it was thought that this could hit a little bit sooner, meaning it's going to be a 2018, 2019 benefit, not this year. That will be disappointing. Meanwhile, our indicators just went bearish as well after being neutral, driven by mergers and acquisitions getting busted. In healthcare, Aetna, $37 billion deal, that has had an impact. The earnings momentum is starting to pick up, but we'll have to see if this political situation creeps over into sentiment, what the effect will be. So, Super Bowl indicator says bearish. Be cautious. This is Robert Maltby with Maltby's Minute on the Market. Visit our website at millennium-asset.biz for our latest market strategy report. Thank you. Good luck.